Going on, people? This is Eric, and in this video right here, I'm just going to show on how you can make a little bit of extra money. Um, and this is not really for people that are outside of the USA, like in other countries, like maybe Nigeria or Ghana, places like that. You know, because it's really hard to be doing things like this in other countries. I do wish that I could figure out a way to help those people, but for the time being, I'm not able to. I do have an amazing opportunity, though, that if you would like to maybe get involved or whatever, then hit me up, okay? Uh, but for the sake of this video, this is mainly for people in the USA that are they're needing some money, okay? And so this is little things that they can do, okay? So right here, I live in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, so I live in Cleburne, Texas, so I have here Dallas Craigslist. And so I just went to Craigslist.org, and it just automatically, I guess because of my location, it automatically comes up. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go to where it says under for sale. I think it says free. I'm going to click on free, which that opens up. And it's going to open up to this right here. And you're going to see all these there's a free pet turtles, there's no thing. You're going to kind of go through here and you're going to kind of look at some things that, looks like it may be valuable. Things like that. So let's kind of look here. These couches don't really look all that good, right? So let's see. Let's kind of scroll through. A lot of this stuff is, it's just like a lot of this stuff that excuse me, please. So all this stuff is really bad because it is free, right? So you can't really. So let's keep going. Just kind of look. I might be going with something that's one of 527 items. Just keep on going. So I just want to kind of show y'all on how we can do this. Okay, let's say maybe, I was going to say maybe this right here. Let's click on that and see what that looks like. So we have a unique large basket, 12 width by 18-inch long, a wooden wooden snowman. I don't know what this is, like a little basket thing or whatever. Let's do this, okay? Just go to Snowman Wood Decor, container, copy. Now let's go to Facebook. Here's my Facebook account, and let's go to the marketplace. And let's just paste in this snowman thing. Okay. So we see we have a lot of things with snowman and things like that. Let's do we have a lot of things with the snowman. It was right here. I was trying to find that exact same thing, but I can't find it. I mean, I might be able to. But if you see all these people are selling this snowman thing for me. There's different things right here, but here's $40, $8. Here's one that's $1. Let's say that you want to sell it for $5. Okay, that thing. Let's just say whatever you think a good price would be, and you would just you would go to selling, like you would go and pick up. You would contact them, reply, and you would have to make arrangements to go pick up this item. Then once you make them arrangements, then you can go, once you picked it up and you brought it to your house, you just click on sell something. And, go through it and put $5 and sell it, then you've made a profit. Minus your gas going and getting it, right? Or whatever. Just look up something else. Just take a look. Let's see. It's a prep table for a restaurant. Oh, it says the compressor's out. But you might be able to get something for it. Let's go on to something else. Let's just keep looking. I want to kind of, okay, let's see. Just maybe this right here. Moving, giving away. Oh, that's a pretty. Small dining table, office bed, child's day bed, TV set, other miscellaneous stuff. Let's say here's for free, a glass top table with, how many chairs is there? 4 chairs. So let's go back to here. Let's type in round glass top table and chairs. Okay. And so there's this. And you can see these different prices here. Of course, it's used. I don't know if these are used or not. But there's 50, 85, 175. So you can probably get that table. Let's go on. I wanted to find one that's exactly like it. 50 right here. This thing right here. I mean, this isn't it, but here's brown center glass 4 cushion chairs. It's not the exact same thing, but here's 4 cushion chairs, round glass table. This right here is free. You can take that, and then you can come over here. You can sell it $50, $25. 100, just whatever you think that it would be worth. Maybe even, I don't know. Let's see, maybe search for Google, search the image, see what it does. So it's a coffee table. I don't know. Let's go to eBay. And let's type in what I let's just see what it does. Let's go to used. See, those are all 150. All this right here. So anyway, I'm just showing you a way that you can make money if you're needing some money. I can't say that it's going to be a fast way to make money, but it is a way, that you can make money, so. Hold on one. So, I mean, it's like I wanted a woman's watch. Let's see what this is. Honestly, I think it says it needs work. White watch that still works, needs new battery. One price is loose from number 3 coming off. Right here. Excuse me. Okay. What kind it is? An analog watch. Right here, look at this. If you can, find someone to do a piano, free to a good home. This right here is my free piano. Bring a truck with strong bodies, no delivery. Here's this piano right here that's it's free. Looks like it has, I don't know if that's broken right there, but let's do this. Baldwin piano. Let's go to Facebook Marketplace. Okay. 125, 350, 600, 250. Here's a free one right here. 200. Here's for $10, right? So there's different prices for this piano right here. Okay, it's a Baldwin ultrasonic spin at 360 piano. Let's see. I think that's the same one, but 650. Yeah? Not really. But I mean, you can get a piano, resell it for $100 is whatever, right? So there's different ways to make money, and I was showing y'all some ways that y'all can make money and things like that. So I hope that this video was valuable to you. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And if you want to know what I'm doing as far as my business, feel free to reach out to me about that too. And let's talk about it. Okay. So anyway, that's it. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.